Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Motorola phones on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Motorola Edge 4D Pro. The Motorola Edge 4D Pro stands out as the best smartphone released by Motorola to date. It impressively keeps pace with the latest specifications, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, generous amounts of RAM and storage, and a remarkably bright screen complemented by a high refresh rate. In comparison to other Motorola devices, it offers an experience reminiscent of Google's Pixel handsets, and in some aspects, it may even surpass them, benefiting from the advantages of Qualcomm's chips, exceptional battery life, and rapid charging capabilities. While the camera may not be the absolute best, its versatility, multiple sensors, and the ability for rear capture provide users with the flexibility to enhance the output according to their preferences. Number 2. Motorola Edge 4D. The Motorola Edge 4D, the smaller counterpart to the Edge 4D Pro, distinguishes itself with a remarkably thin and light design, contrasting the trend towards thicker and heavier phones. Its excellent battery life and charging capabilities add to its appeal. Running on a MediaTek Dimensity chip, the phone effectively balances performance, efficiency, and cost savings. The clean software, reminiscent of Google's Pixel phones, enhances the user experience. However, the phone does have some drawbacks, notably its average cameras, a common issue with Motorola devices. Additionally, the inconsistent software update policy may affect the timing of updates. While it's not available in the US currently, it might make its way as the Motorola Edge 2023, following past patterns. Number 3. Motorola Razr 2022. The Motorola Razr 2022 is a notable improvement over its predecessor, addressing key issues and delivering a more refined foldable experience. Boasting a 6.7-inch notch-free Full HD Plus POLED panel with minimal creasing, it provides an excellent display for multitasking and media consumption. Despite occasional performance stutters linked to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, the phone compensates with its clean interface, satisfactory battery life, considering its foldable design, and surprisingly capable camera setup. The inclusion of a large 50MP wide sensor with OIS, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and an in-display 32MP selfie camera contributes to an enjoyable photography experience. While gaming performance may show some inconsistency, the Motorola Razr 2022 stands out as an attractive and functional option in the foldable smartphone market. Number 4. Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra offers exceptional value as a flagship phone, equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, making it ideal for demanding tasks and gaming. Its 6.67-inch FHD Plus display with a 144Hz refresh rate delivers a visually impressive experience for various content consumption. Featuring a glass front and back along with a metal frame, the phone exudes a premium and expensive aesthetic. The 200MP main camera may seem extravagant, but it adds a unique selling point and consistently produces vibrant and colorful images. With fast charging capability and commendable battery life, the phone caters to the needs of most users. The inclusion of stock Android 12, now updatable to Android 13, ensures a clean, customizable interface. Number 5. Motorola Moto G Power. The Moto G53 5G stands out as an affordable option, particularly for those seeking 5G support and a 120Hz display at a budget-friendly price of $170. While it excels in providing the basics, such as smooth navigation with a higher refresh rate and a comfortable feel in hand, certain compromises were made to meet the low price point. The inclusion of microSD support adds value, offering expandable storage in a market where this feature is becoming less common in higher-priced phones. However, potential buyers should consider factors like the camera performance, plastic build, and the lower resolution display, recognizing that these aspects reflect the cost-conscious design of a phone priced just below $150. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.